All right, guys. My husband cleaned off the table so that we could have a cooking section. And he have the fruit over to the side and the colander. And we have our microwave with some stackable racks with all our cooking stuff, plastic containers. We got rice, some little odds and ends, some plastic containers for storage. But these two, oh, wait a minute. And I got my husband and I the giant pepper shaker for Christmas several years ago. But now here is our, well, we got 1.5 stars. Now this is the half star. I showed you guys this already. This is the Chefman. I got it from Amazon. I'm gonna start adding links so you guys can check stuff out if you're interested in what we're using for different types of cooking. And as you can see here, you can cook meat, chicken, and fish, French fries, and veggies, and it have a setting for air fry, bake, dehydrate. Honey, what is this? What is this, Chefman? Okay, it's an air fryer, but it does a lot of different stuff. And then this is our French fry cutter. You could probably cut different vegetables besides that. That's what we use for our fresh French fries. And then this little baby here, this is our deep fryer. Pozesso. We also got it from Amazon. And it is really cool. I wanted to get a double one, but I'll get that next time. And you see this, guys? It's got this big giant basket where you can cook lots of different things in there. You could do French fries, chicken, fish, and let's see. Oh, here we go. And after the food finished cooking, you just hang it on this here so that the oil can drain. And this baby holds, how much does it hold, honey? 3 gallons of oil. So with the basket being so big, let me show you the basket again. Look at how big this basket is, guys. With the basket being so big, I mean, you could cook a whole horde of food in there. Makes for quick cooking. And hold on, let me show you on the inside. There is the cooking element, which is underneath. This here is the cooking element. And we are going to try it out. We're going to put our weekly menu together so that we can utilize everything. But this is what's going on. And of course, you've seen the microwave already. But yeah, this is what's going on for now. Until we're able to do a brand new kitchen remodel, which we're going to bring you guys along with us, and it's going to be really nice. We're going to add, we're going to rearrange the kitchen so we can have more counter space. So this is what's going on, guys. And we're having this for dinner, chicken wings. I am going to bake them with my special seasoning, and I'll probably do a video about that so you guys can see one of the different ways that I make chicken in the oven. It's going to be barbecued chicken. My mom used to do it in the oven years ago. When we were younger, we couldn't afford a grill, but my mom knew how to grill inside the oven, so I learned how to grill in the oven based on me watching moms. So this is what we're having. And hold on a second, let me show you the sides. My husband made some baked beans from scratch, and we're going to he's going to redo the recipe for the 4th of July, and we're going to bring you guys along with us to show you what we're cooking and how we're cooking it, and I hope you join us. But anyway, guys, one more look at the setup. Oh, I tell you, it is so nice to have cooking gadgets like this. It makes cooking a lot faster and a lot easier. So, and I also want you guys to join me, because I have some special stress-free tips on people trying to lose weight. There is a process, but the process is easy. I'm going to sit down and explain things to you, and I'll also share a couple of things with you. I know this works because I helped my nephew lose weight with this method, and I know you guys are going to enjoy it. You are really going to enjoy it. So please keep in tune with the channel. Subscribe if you need to, in order to not miss this special episode, because it is really going to surprise you. Hit the notification button for the channel to get notified when I upload new cooking videos and everything. And just keep checking back. So this is the last look at the setup. Boy, that's stacked like a tower. We got a skyscraper on top of the microwave. But yeah, guys, I will eventually set up an Amazon store so you can, at least if you are interested in finding the different cooking gadgets that I get and I use, my husband and I, you will at least be able to locate it. And you can also do a price comparison. I always find good deals and good prices on Amazon, and I will be more than happy to share the information with you. And if you're ever interested, all you have to do is to click a link and go from there. All right, guys, I'll be back, and bye for now.